Hello and welcome to the Tulare Public Library Resource Spotlight. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to do a job search using one of the library databases, AtoZ. To get started, you're going to go to our website, tularepubliclibrary.org. From there, scroll down until you get to the Research and Databases page. And from here, we're going to look into our Job Resources section. There are some other fabulous options in here, so make sure you take a look another time. I'm going to go into the AtoZ databases. If you're logging in from home, you will need your Tulare Public Library card. I'm going to focus on this middle section today, Find a Job. You can type in a title, keyword, or business name, state, city, or zip, and you can decide whether you want to look for full-time, part-time, or other work. As an example, I'm going to look for some clerical work. And I want to look for it in Tulare. I can go ahead and hit search. Notice that I left the full-time option as all results, so I will be getting full-time, part-time, internships, and other options as well. From here, you can see the results page. I just really like how this looks. It's very simple for me to navigate and to scroll through quickly multiple job postings. I can see the business name, where that job is located, and importantly, the date that it was posted. We are recording this on September 30th, so you can see that today I am getting current results day of. When you're searching for a job, it's very important to pay attention to that date posted. Sometimes there are outdated jobs, but again, the sort filter is by the most recent. I like this because, like I said, it's really easy to navigate and just really easy for me to quickly scan as I look for a job that might be of interest to me. All of these search results are pulled straight from Indeed. So if I were to click on this top link here and say I'm interested in being a medical receptionist, you notice that it will take me to the Indeed website, and I can see the full job posting here on Indeed. However, if I were to do this same job search on the Indeed website, clerical and Tulare, I get a lot of pop-ups. It's kind of busy, and it's actually a lot, I think, harder to scroll through the options here. So while Indeed has a lot of great resources, I just appreciate how AtoZ uses the data from Indeed to make a really easy to navigate display. I'm going to do one more job search just to show you how it looks again. I'm going to select New Search. Now let's say that I just need full-time work in Tulare. So again, I can leave this top search blank, enter the city and state, and select full-time work. I'm going to execute my search again. Wait for it to load. We're going to get a few more options here. Yeah, 77 pages worth. And you can see that they do show jobs from the surrounding area, but everything's pretty close by. You can decide whether or not a commute is something that's going to work for you. And again, they're going to sort by the date posted, so I can see that there was a lot of jobs posted today for full-time work near Tulare, California. All right, that's it for our job searching. So again, we're just doing job searches on the AtoZ databases, which is free with your Tulare Public Library card. All the information is pulled from Indeed, but just a nice way, alternative way to search through all of that data. Job searching is overwhelming enough without having to sift through maybe not your favorite display. Don't forget that if you are looking for jobs, we have a lot of other job resources, including interview prep, resume help, and lots more. You can check out some of our other videos or stop by the library and ask for help. We're always here and we have computers available, so you are not alone in your job search. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.